Hello, people of the errors. Oh god.
Hello, people with the errors.
Damn it, I swear it worked early. Oh, right, silly me. I changed it that way. Okay. Wow. Off to a great start.
Yep. So, what did you last work on?
Multiplayer.
Oh, yeah, you were saying.
Oh, yes.
So, how's it working out?
Um, well, you'll see now. Right now, it just spawns a lot of stuff, and then I have this image, this shadow of me that I now am gonna work on, I guess, if I can.
So, are you needing two players at the same time, or?
No, not at the moment.
Right.
So basically, there's that mouse, and
Oh,
it
yeah.
it doesn't even seem to be doing the animation. It's basically me, so it should mirror me.
Yeah.
So if I eat, it does the eat animation, but I see it's not doing the hop for one thing. Even though it knows it's hopping, I suppose that's probably pointless as well. So I need to do a lot of work now with making it mimic me in the smoothest way possible.
Mm-hmm.
So for one thing, I'm gonna make it do the thing. I'm gonna make it transfer also data
Can,
specific to my
can you not
velocity.
just make X and Y and Z equal to yours, and then
Yeah,
it's.
that's what it's doing.
Oh, is it right?
It's only
And
that I
then.
moved it to the side so I could see it better, but otherwise
Right, okay.
it's pretty much on me.
I thought that was due to some bug or something, but yeah, it makes sense. Actually, moving it to the side so you can see what you're doing.
Yep.
But would it not just be a case of if your animation is this, then it plays the animation?
Yes, it should be. I don't know why it's not the. Oh, actually no,
Huh?
because it's not me. You see, so it's just I wrote a lot of player specific code for one thing.
Hmm.
So whenever I do the tail swipe, the tail goes stiff, but only if I'm the player. So that, for example,
Ah, right, okay.
that I definitely need to add, and then other things are also.
Well, could you not just do you know how you had those balls attached to the tail when you were riding
Yes.
something
Well,
as
I'm
a
not
test?
transmitting those. Jeez, just imagine how much data that would be. Fuck.
No, but if you put like one or two in that's constantly attached to your tail,
It's
then
not.
you can
It's
get
no
those
point.
coordinates.
The
No.
tail's purely cosmetic. I can just make that simple. It would be completely stupid to synchronize the tail. The tail will be revealed just from the animation. It, the question is, should I synchronize an object that I'm carrying with my tail? That is one of the questions, but I'm not sure. Probably not.
Mm.
We'll see. Okay, so I need this also, I guess. Yes. So now I'm sending this data through the server. This data that is my velocity, which will help rotate the character in the right direction for one thing. Which I still need to do, because as you saw, he's not rotating in any way. So how are you doing, by the way? You were sick for a while, so I didn't get you.
Yeah, I'm a lot better now.
Great.
Before I just had constant headaches and I was really, really ill.
Oh no, that's the worst.
Yeah. Well, I had it for like 5 days or something, so not very good.
Indeed. 5 days? You were gone for more than that.
Oh yeah, no, but
No.
I mean, I mean like 5 days at its worst.
Right. Do I want to bother with that? Yeah, I guess I do. Wait, does that work? If it does work, that'll make things simpler, I guess.
Yeah, I think I only worked on my game like maybe 3 times out of the whole time that I've been away,
Hmm.
just because I was feeling really shitty.
So that's awful.
Yeah, but I'm back to working on it, so that's good.
Great.
All I've been doing is writing save states for it though.
Oh
The worst
my.
part. Yeah.
Save states, huh? Wow. How do you save them?
Through cookies.
Huh?
Through cookies.
Right.
Same way you done it.
Yes, I have in fact. But then I had to redo it so it also goes through a file in Isaac. But then again, that never really worked out well. Well, I guess it did work well. It just didn't. I guess it did work fine. There was just some issues where you had different computers and then it wouldn't pick the newest one sometimes. Like if you play. Oh wait, how did that work? No, I suppose it must have worked most of the time, really.
Hmm.
Hmm.
But I still don't know how to write it to a text file or whatever you saved it as.
I don't think you can. You need some kind of external program to do that for you
Hmm.
because Flash is shit.
Yep. Can't
Right.
wait for Unity.
Yeah, you should really go for Unity.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna set on the server that these objects have a velocity now. Alright. Wait, what did I? Alright, okay, that's good. Now all I need to do is find where it does the. Do I have this? I do have this. No, this isn't it. Fuck. Alright, what kind of is, I guess. I'm looking for this. Yeah, no. Almost there. That's it. So here, this is where the server reads the message that was sent from the player and then sends it back to all the players after reading it and redoing it, I guess. Which might be a bit of a waste. Maybe I definitely need to read it, I guess, and redo it.
Oh yeah, I was looking at some Unity coding examples. Do you know when you add a code to a object?
Yes.
How have you set up yours? Because it doesn't look like you've got loads of them set up to different objects.
Yep, there's just one object that controls them all. And then the other objects only have a small code that tells them I'm here to the big object.
Oh,
So then that should be essentially that. Right.
so how is it you're choosing the object that you want to apply the script onto? Well, the code onto.
Well, as I said, it has these scripts that are in the other objects and they reach out to the main object.
Ah, right, okay, right, that makes sense.
Great.
Oh, he's rotating. Oh, no, he's not. Is he?
No,
Oh, no.
I gotta look into that. Alright, what do I know? What do I know? Wait, now the animation works, so this basically should have worked, otherwise it would have. Well, actually, maybe not. Maybe it wouldn't have said. No, wait, it would have said. Why did I stop testing? I should have continued testing. Alright, so. Come on, join the server. There you go. And idle and hop and jump. Yep, it has. It works for this. I can. It mimics my swipe even without stiffening the tail, I guess. So. I don't know if it. It doesn't seem to be mimicking my velocity though, as it should. I wonder why. Oh wait. Well, let's find out. I'm not even sure I set that up yet, actually. Oh wait, I must have. Yeah, I must have. Alright. What do I know of this?
Oh, yeah.
It says the velocity to it, so why doesn't it do that, I wonder?
Do you know when you have you get a certain distance away from an object, it becomes lower poly?
Yes, level
Uh,
of details. That's what
yeah.
that's called.
Will that happen with other players on the?
No,
No.
shouldn't be necessary. There's only like 50 players at the most, if ever. Probably only like 10 even. Did I? Alright, let's see. And we have bullshit. Yes. How do we have bullshit? Oh, because I'm overwriting it here, of course. Well, you get edit, I guess. Or something. Alright, let's find out. Wait. No, that's fine. Alright. Man, you're really worried about optimization of frame rate. What you should be worried about is optimization of lag, if anything, of connection lag.
Yeah.
That's the main issue. Okay, so it seems to be doing a velocity. Oh, I'm stupid, of course, yes. Right, so this is gonna be tedious to play with, I guess. Do I want to set up a variable just for this? Well, P, I guess. I hope I don't use val P already. Probably not. No. Okay.
So what are you setting up?
I'm now setting up that I can change. I guess it's pointless, but whatever. It is pointless. Well, let's see. I'm just gonna set up how that I can have this variable that determines how much the maximum speed that an object will have can be, I guess. Yeah, that's basically
Alright.
what that is, even though
Oh, so it's like
it's not,
maximum velocity.
yeah, but it's only limited on the server, so if
Right.
it's not high enough, it's just gonna be laggy. It's not gonna move any slower. It's just gonna look worse. So let's, but if I put it too high, obviously it's gonna lag because it's transmitting too much pointless data.
Yeah.
I guess I should do the same for position, I guess. Yes, indeed, I should. Okay, too bad now I have to go back and do it all again. Oh, there it goes. And then, God, it's probably like probably 4 times in the whole code. I don't know, on both the files, more even. Many of replacements. It's good that I'm doing this, I guess, because now I can just change the number. Oh, there. That's it.
I like how you stuck in a German key there.
This?
German character on your keyboard, the U with the 2 dots, or
Oh, did I? Where is that?
yeah. Oh
Did
no, you deleted it.
Right.
I mean, you snuck it in there though. So
Accidentally.
as non-German people can
Oh,
think
yeah.
up some theories.
Yeah. Oh no.
Maybe it works for aliens. We'll never know.
Okay, this is gonna be 8. Yeah, should do. And position should be. Well, I had 24, but that was too much, so I guess I'll be setting that to 10, which is probably gonna be too little, but whatever.
Protected.
Where's that?
A couple of lines up.
Oh right, yeah, that's some kind of. Well, it's basically just it can't be accessed, which really just makes it pointless. I probably wouldn't have done that myself. It's a code I bought from someone a long time ago.
Alright.
Okay, so what do I have? What did I just do? Right. And P declarations are here, and in you go, you silly extra stuff. Do I have this? No, okay. Almost ready. If I can spell them all right. I'm probably gonna. Oh, I guess I can keep them in like that. They shouldn't be a problem. Even though I could get it to run just the slightest bit faster if I didn't do it that way, and if I just replaced them with numbers at one point.
Yeah. Well, once you're happy with whatever number you put down, you can do it easy.
Indeed, but what if it needs to change for some reason? Oh well. Okay, so what's the other one I get? I wonder.
Oh, the
Where does it read it out? I mean, oh, here it goes. That it? No, that's not it. Fuck. Aha. Yes, just almost done. If I can learn to spell the variable I determined. So it's been really cold. So I called the woman that manages the what do I call that? I gotta look that up. Let's see.
is it a flat?
Yes. Let me just see what it says. Useless. Why don't you just tell me outright? Caretaker, janitor, groundskeeper. Yes.
Oh, your landlord.
No, I'm the landlord. She's just.
Oh, do you own it?
Yes.
Right.
She's just. But it's a big house, and there's one caretaker to take care of everything. There's like 80 apartments. I own one apartment.
Right.
So that's what happens. And I told her to turn on the heat, and I think she might have, but it hasn't activated yet because it needs to have low temperature outside the house for that to even work. So that's annoying. And now it's not doing the thing, despite the fact that it seems to be doing the thing. It's almost as if I had made some mistake. Hop. Idle. It gets this. The question... What? Oh, right, I'm stupid, of course. So what I did then was limit the thing too much, so now
Yeah.
I can only move in this square here. Oh wow, that is a tiny square. Well, that it? Jesus. Okay, I see that I wasn't too far off with 24. Jesus. That is tiny. What is that? Being 10 by 10? Ugh. I don't want to save any space on the decimal number though, I guess, because I'm afraid that might make it even worse.
Can you pause for a second?
You could just be AFK for a sec. Why, what is
Okay.
it?
I just need to do something.
Right.
Back in a second.
Alright. Just gonna set these variables much higher so then hopefully it won't be trapped in a tiny little mouse cage. Yes. And now we're gonna see if it's slightly better. I didn't set it high enough. What am I doing? Well, let's have a look. 7 and... Well, I think it's gotten slightly smoother. It's not rotating though, that's weird. Well, I guess it's not. I had to replace a bunch of code, and then replacing a bunch of code made it remove things. So I see it's rotating somewhat when I'm in air. Also, one thing that's great about the code is the way I'm handling this game already, that will make it easy for me to use multiplayer, is the fact that I have a smoothing function written, so hopefully the smoothing function should make this a lot better. It's still very laggy though. Well, no, is it? Is it laggy? I would think that that mouse should have the same basic gravity attached to it, so I don't know why it's so oddly unsmooth, I guess. Well, it's better though, definitely, I think. Having the velocity there, that is. And of course, it's only fucked up by the fact that I've chosen a... Oh yeah, that must be it. I've chosen a too small number for it. Okay, 8. I don't know how much bigger it gets if I set it to 12 though. That would be interesting to know. Okay, I think it was 3.6 that it allowed me to transmit. Let's see how much it increases. Putting it up to 12 should hopefully increase it several fold. It's not working. Did I? Oh, I didn't save. Right. Silly. Wrong button.
Right, I'm back.
There we go.
I heard some banging downstairs. I went down and there was the neighbour's cat sitting in the kitchen.
Cat burglaries. What,
Yep.
in your kitchen?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Ooh, look at this. This is nearly smooth. Now, except for the fact that it's not rotating, but... Wow. Yeah,
Yes.
that's not even the smooth function that I mentioned earlier, that active.
Yeah.
I can see it's fucked up there because it's not doing the animation properly. And other reasons, I guess. But I see
So
it's looking nice while jumping, I guess.
Is this moving just sort of like it'll predict where it will be, sort of thing?
At the moment not. No, at the moment it's putting it exactly where it is.
Ah, right.
So if it's in front of me, it's actually in front of me.
Mhm.
Yeah. Well, except for this, obviously, because it's just moving it to the side, so it's moving it underground, so...
Yeah.
Obviously this isn't ideal, but whatever. It's not a feature anyways, there's no... Or it shouldn't be. I don't know, maybe it would be an interesting debugging feature to have this ghost mouse. Ah yes, eating works too still. Okay, so that's good. Right, what's the fastest I can go?
So what about swimming though?
I'm sure that's fine. Okay, 41, that appears to be my maximum, right? Yep. Which is evidently not enough when you're going fast, so...
Nope.
Let's increase this number some more. God damn. All this waste of bandwidth, but whatever. Wait, no, I don't think I need to increase it a lot. Let's see, how much does increasing it by 1 do? I think it should double its limit. Goddamn wrong button all the time.
What the hell? There's more banging going on.
The cat's going wild.
I don't even think...
No? What do you think it is?
I don't know, it sounded like it came from the bathroom.
Oh no, not the bathroom cats.
They're everywhere.
Indeed.
Just
Okay.
sitting at my desk and then all of a sudden Florian fuzzes out, a cat comes up on the screen. We have invaded your life.
Oh yes, this will happen. Okay, so again, this bug is happening because I'm in air. It thinks that I'm standing in air, so that's how that would look if someone was standing in air, which I guess is probably not the worst thing.
But if it ever lags out,
Indeed.
then that's probably what it would be like when they're in there.
Oh yeah, maybe I should optimize it for that. Oh. So why is it not rotating on the... Well, I probably already know that, don't I? I probably just need to be more selective with the stuff that I deactivate. Yes. Okay, so they actually have a collider despite everything. Okay, which is probably fine. It's just some unsynchronized collision. Alright, so now let's see what happens if I indeed put on the smoothing, because that's clearly what we've been
Oh yeah, have
looking
you
for.
have you sorted the mushrooms?
I don't know, probably did, yeah.
Yeah. I can't remember if you did or not. Remember the ants were
Oh yeah,
filling up
that's.
down.
Oh yeah, I just made it so that the ants don't collide with, so that the ant butts don't collide with the mushrooms. So it should basically work unless the ants are on the mushroom, and then they'll glitch through with their butt. But whatever, that's probably not even relevant.
Yeah, I think that's the last. Well, was that the last one I was on?
Yeah, that was
Think
probably
maybe.
the last one you were on.
Yeah.
Oh god, that one went wild. That one was with all the people in it, and they were all.
We're all naked and you didn't even know.
Oh yes. I always assume though. Gotta know. Okay, so it doesn't seem to be much better. I wonder why. Maybe a little better. I'm not actually sure it is doing its job.
I can't tell really. It doesn't really look like it does it.
It doesn't seem to be improved. Even though.
I don't know. From somebody else's perspective, that would probably look fine.
Probably. Well, I mean, gotta get it as good as possible.
Well, yeah, but obviously you don't want to take up too much space and stuff.
Oh yeah, but the smoothing script should be not taking up latency or anything, so.
Yeah, it should be optimized. But did you write it yourself, or
Yep.
I don't know if it was built in or not.
Oh, god damn it, yes of course, game. Okay, so hopefully this won't take too long. Maybe I should take a break while it does it though. Alright, pausing. Skipping, I mean. Alright, so. Right.
I've got a question about that menu. Do you know how it says select your monitor and stuff?
No. Oh,
The
you mean
one
the
yeah.
start, right?
Yeah, where it has the aspect ratio and stuff. I see that on a lot of Unity games. Does that just come standard with it, or can you turn that off
Yep.
and make your
You
own?
can
Or
turn it off.
Huh.
Okay, so here we go. Wait, what? That's not. Oh, it is the one. Okay, so here we go. And here we go. I've got this mouse on the roof, and then. Slightly inconvenient. Oh wait, I know now. I'm gonna make this small, and then I'm gonna see. Teleport. Yeah. Everything's exploitative. There we go. I'm moving around. Kind of.
at the speed of sound. Got places to go. Got to follow my rainbow.
Oh god. Where's the best place to look at? Whatever.
That's actually something you need to play on your channel. Some Sonic game. Some terrible Sonic game.
Oh no, I don't like those.
That's the point.
Damn
Put
you.
yourself for torture for entertainment.
That almost looked like an error then. Where am I? Where am I? Aha, here am I. I'm the glidey mouse. Yes, yes. Whee! Jumping looks better, I guess. Slightly. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Transmitted over the local debugging server.
Oh, it looks like it's actually rotating as well.
In air, yes. Not on the ground.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna do another test because I like it so much, but now I need to recompile it. Okay, uncomment. Where's uncomment? Damn it, there should be uncomment.
So if this you don't host the
Aha.
server, do you? You have the website holding the server.
Well, now I will be. Let's see if I can handle that. If I can find it. Game code. Okay, so you get to build again, and you get to hopefully not display any important information. Nope, I gotta pause this and upload this so you can't see it. Be right back. There, where it says upload, I guess it's in multiplayer. Okay, good to know. Upload code. Alright, debug symbols, huh? Is this the current one? Kind of. 10 minutes old, but okay. It'll probably do. Here we go. First time mouse. And here we also go. Internet mouse. Now you'll see what latency really is. Okay, didn't lag for much longer than usual. Oh my, look at me. I am the internet mouse. This is actually over the internet. You know how exciting this is?
That's awesome.
Alright, so you are the test version, I guess, and...
So when are you grabbing beta testers?
Don't be silly.
Come on, it's working on the internet now.
Yeah,
You have to release it to people.
I know, I could send you this shit right now, but I'm not gonna.
Obviously.
Yeah. Trust issues.
Otherwise I'd steal it and put it on I don't know. What could you? Steam,
Well,
I guess?
no idea. Oh, probably not Steam.
Early mouse. It's a completely different game, I swear.
There's... Oh, 7, right. I need to press the button to join the internet. Yes, here we go. And...
Have you tested interactions, like...
Apparently, it is horrible. What interactions? Argument out of range. I wonder what argument that could be that is in fact gotten out of range. Well, that's interesting. I guess nothing works. At least it doesn't work with 2 players. Okay, how about when I leave with the other player? I guess Alt F4 isn't the best way to leave. Alright.
Yeah, interactions, like shooting cannon and stuff, does that work for everyone, yeah? Or if you're not tested that out?
Don't be silly. I have to set that up specifically to work for multiplayer. God.
Right.
It's like you're not even a game developer asking stuff like that.
Well, I don't know how much you've done to this since I've been gone.
Well, you've seen that the mouse isn't working, so you can tell that
Well,
obviously...
yeah, I didn't know if you had set that up first or...
Yeah, I'm gonna set up all the features in the game and not even have synchronized mice that run properly. That's right.
Yeah.
Because the question is, can I see any kind of errors on here? Let me pause again in case I show any sensitive information. Okay, so here's the error log finally found. Okay, we got the bitpack creating issues, which might have been obvious, I guess. Not sure. Not sure if it was obvious. Okay, so back to the development server and see if we can... Ah, wait, there's no easy way to reproduce. This is tedious as fuck. Okay, why don't I just find out where... There's no error here. There should be an error here. God damn, did I clear it already? Well, that's weird. I wonder if I can reproduce the error offline. Not that that makes any particular difference. In fact, this is probably more information than I get told usually. Alright, so... Yeah, it's gonna be a pain in the ass to prevent server crashes. Just a massive pain in the ass, I tell you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, I just press again and then I'm 2 mice now. Even though I'm just this one for now. But this doesn't apparently help. Aha! No, never mind. Things still work, kind of. I've just joined the server multiple times. And I'm now using up 3 times. No, actually 9 times the bandwidth, so... Hooray, I guess. Now let's see. Well, I'm not getting errors like this. So, I guess I have no clue what happened. Okay, do you know what line you are? No, of course not. That would be far too convenient if I would just know what sign. Game code got message, okay. Interesting. I wonder if that was some kind of package loss that caused that, or if it's in fact faulty programming. Well, either way, I suppose I might as well work on the issues with the rotating and then hope that things get better that way. Actually, let me rewind the video and see. Here we go. Videos. Video. And hello, people of the. Yep, shut up, me. And where did it happen? I think that might have been it. Not sure though. It's close. There. That was that. And uploading the code, okay. And then, which one's this? Is this the build? Yeah, that seems to be the build, okay. The brilliant thing is that there's NPC mice as well as multiplayer mice on here, so everything is super confusing.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's me joining, I suppose, hopefully. Yep.
Oh, that's a good point. How are people going to indicate... Oh, wait, they'll have the name above them. Doesn't matter.
I'm not sure if I will do names above them.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How would they know that they're not NPC? Well,
Oh.
obviously NPC mice can only stay in one area, but...
You gotta actually... Well, you enter the server and then you know that you're multiplaying. There's not gonna be NPC mice around when there's multiplayer going on.
Ah, right, okay.
Okay, so it seems that it crashed nearly instantly. Weird. I would love to know what... Now reference error. Index out of range. If only I'd looked up what that was. Wait, what am I doing? I can easily reproduce this, I guess. I don't even have to re-upload anything or anything. God damn it, you can go away too, Winamp. Alright. Uncomment the line. I mean, comment the line and then play the thing and then also play the thing on the desktop. And then press 7 and that would be it, I guess. So it never really worked, did it?
No.
Alright, so I mean on the internet, alright. I joined the server here. And then there's me, and I'm gonna go into the game and join the server here. And I forgot to do the thing, but it's not crashed yet. Alright, here we go. Here's me jumping around. Oh, weird, that time it worked, so I guess that's good, because it seems that the... Oh man, that's great! It's on the multiplayer, hooray! I hope. Yep, it's on the multiplayer. Don't need that silly... Oh, there you go, that's what it looks like, by the way. If I pause the game, that's what it looks like. Whee! I'm alive! I am playing on the internet! I am the multiplayer mouse! Yeah! Look at me and my smooth tail. Am I jumping around? Not perfectly synchronized, but close enough. I mean, not really close enough. Not rotating. Where am I? Oh, I lost track of where I was. Here we go. There am I.
Stay by the door and you'll see yourself.
The what?
The door on the building. And you'll be able to see yourself.
Oh yeah. I'm the same color as the door. Alright, off I go into the sunset. Whee!
Oh, what does floating look like?
What do you mean floating?
Gliding even.
Right. Well, let's see then, I guess, if I can get this done. Whee! It's probably gonna be tough to get in the field of view here.
Yeah. You should have looked on the other screen up or something. Oh, that's your challenge. Need to land at the door.
Ah, fuck, what am I doing? This isn't me. Oh, great, I didn't even pay attention. Oh. Well, actually, I don't know if I even showed up.
No, I didn't see you.
I might have lagged out. By the way, the reason why this is lagging out... Oh-ho! Now it instantly argument out of ranged. Aha! As I paused the game, but I had the game paused earlier, so I don't know if that was it. Oh, wait, I get what is what. Yeah, silly me. Haha! Silly fucking me. It's the age-old multi-thread problem. Yes, how did I fix that last time? I don't remember as well. Do you know how... No, you don't know anything about multiprocessing, do you?
No.
Yeah, so essentially this server code is run multi-thread, which means that if two players message the server at exactly the same time, they'll access the same file, they'll access the same thing, and then the server crashes because they're running the same code at the same time, accessing the same variables, and then the variable has changed, and then the fact that the variable has changed makes an argument out of range error, because the thing was deleted on one of the functions and not on the other.
Alright, so it's trying to use it, but since it's changing, it doesn't exist anymore, technically.
Indeed.
Right.
And then null reference, or worse.
8 terabyte, Jesus.
Indeed. It's almost full.
Yeah. Who the hell did you almost... That German porn. What am I telling you?
It's all these source files. Look, this one alone's 20 gigs.
They take up a hell of a lot of room.
Where did I put this?
Need to delete some soon.
Unity? No. God damn it. What am I doing? It's in Dropbox. There we go. Somewhere. No, actually, I don't know. I don't think it is, actually, come to think of it. I think it must be here. Here. No, not there. God, my files. Alright. Where's that old abandoned project? There it is. Yep. And you.
Gladiator.
Yes. Okay, so how do I anything about lock? Yes, lock, dislock. Okay. What is dislock? Dislock is an object. Just an object. Nothing else. Just an object, huh? That's weird. Okay, well that's good to know. That should hopefully fix the issue, I guess. If I could find the issue. No. There it is. Okay, so basically these things alone should be plenty. That should be all it takes to fix things. Yes. Should literally be all. Okay, private dislock. Okay. And then where does it happen? We have no, yes. So essentially got message definitely needs to lock things. I'm not sure if I should be locking more things though. I probably should, shouldn't I? That's a weird sound.
Oh, sorry. I didn't realise the mic was picking up.
What is it?
That is my knuckles and neck cracking.
Right. Neck cracking, I see.
Yep.
I won't need that anymore. Alright, I just need lock, dislock. That's all I need. And hopefully that will fix the issue. I really hope so. I mean, the fact that it just happens randomly definitely means that it's most likely based on that. Indeed. Most likely based on locking issues, multi-threading issues. Need to lock everything up so that no two lines of code are executed at the same time. Well, game start, maybe. I should lock that up too, who knows. Now the question is that even acceptable? Let's see. Yes, it is, good. Okay, anything else that needs to be locked up? I don't seem to have any function that is a frame that is happening over and over again, so I guess not yet. Nothing else that needs to be locked up, so all I need to do now is upload that code. And that should be that. And then hopefully I won't crash next time, even though it'll still be quite tedious. Oh wow, really? You're not even gonna bother, huh? Brilliant. Okay, here we go then. Upload game code and not that. This one. Now, do I need to delete the old one? I probably do need to delete the old one. Which one is the old one? That one.
The bottom one.
Is that enough? Can I delete it or is that it? Oh, I guess that is it. Brilliant. Okay, so here goes. I don't even need to redo the thing, I guess. I
feel like there is a way to delete it. There has to be.
Well,
can't just.
Well, maybe not. Maybe it's an archive.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's me joining the server, and here is me also joining the server, hopefully. Okay, so this time I'm gonna set up this. Okay, it's working currently. Wait, did I join the server on the other one yet? I'm not sure actually. Only I would know. It runs fairly smooth at the moment. Maybe this actually made things a lot better. Interesting. Okay, so right, why don't I look at the sky? That'll answer your question. Okay, so this is a good look at the sky.
Yeah.
A little further back. Stupid wall. Alright. Here we go. I didn't join the server yet. Alright, well here we go. No servers available. Oh, I'm stupid.
You didn't run it, did you? Well,
What?
you commented it out.
Yeah, that commenting out is the difference between running it local and running it on the internet.
Mm-hmm.
If I could... No, that's not even the right code. Okay, here we go. And I won't be needing that old gladiator code yet. And here we go. Uncomment the line. Wait, what?
Wait.
Uncomment the line to use the development server. Oh wait, yeah, okay. Definitely not localhost. Yeah, commenting it. That'll fix the issue. And this seems to still be working. Besides the fact that it is not that great. Ah shit, I need to look more to that side. Here. Please. There we go. And join. Ta-da! Is it laggy? Kind of. Maybe not. It's kind of smooth. Alright, here we go. Maybe. If I can find the other mouse. There it is. Ta-da! Can I do the
Oh.
hiding? No, C, that's the button. Yeah, look at me, perfectly hidden.
I've not even seen this yet.
That's interesting. Wait,
Where'd
no.
that seed come from?
Oh, I was eating, I guess. And then I dropped it. Okay, so apparently it doesn't respect animations such as hiding. That makes sense. What else? How about the stupid animation of looking? It also isn't perfectly acceptable. Okay. Alright, so on to the mountain we go, and... Please? Where am I?
I can't see you. Is it treating you like an object and putting you to sleep?
Oh, that might actually be the case.
See, I did pay
Interesting.
attention a little.
That is a very good point. Okay, I should be right in front of this.
I'm sometimes useful, if that is.
You're definitely the most useful one of these people.
Because I have a tiny bit of knowledge about this stuff.
Indeed. Because I'm really far away, it would seem. Let's be up here then. Okay, I should be visible, so I guess I really am.
Oh wait, I thought I saw. Oh no, it's just popping of a texture, I think.
Am I coming the right way even? There
Oh
we
yeah,
go.
yeah.
Okay, now let's pause this video and let's check it out. If I was indeed invisible all along.
I've seen you, but I don't know if you popped in or not.
Aha, there I am.
Yeah.
Aha, I was
Yeah.
there all along. It's just like that UFO that blew up that rocket. Did you see that?
No.
There was a big rocket that was blown up, and some people confuse oh wow, I was there all along. Good. Confuse a little bee that flew past the camera for the UFO.
Really?
But it had very, very outrageous timing. That bee, it flew past right as it exploded.
Oh, that was hilarious.
Oh yeah.
Oh, some random cheese sitting down there.
Yeah. Man, that's great. It's all working somewhat. Oh boy.
Yeah.
It's such good stuff. Now let's go and get into the boring stuff of making it actually smooth.
Wait, should you actually make it sleep? Or would there be no
Nah,
point?
that would be stupid. You want to see the
Yeah.
enemy players all the time. If anything,
Also,
that might be
Was
some
there
kind
enemy
of...
players?
Yes.
Ah, is that the first time you mentioned it on this?
No.
No? Oh, god damn it.
So, well, I talked with Nesta, and he does approve now of my deathmatch idea, or actually,
Yeah.
I guess Peter dreamed up that idea, but don't tell him that he might have been responsible. So basically, I'll just have it so that all the mice can use all of their regular attacks to kill each other, and then the dead mice drop seeds, and therefore you need to collect seeds to win. You need 50 seeds to win or whatever, and then you murder each other. It'll be called Banditos, the game mode.
So is there going to be custom sort of maps made for that, or...
Nope, it'll just be in the current map.
Ah,
You basically talk to an NPC, and then he tells you, watch out, the road is full of bandits. And don't go there if you have any seeds. And you need 5 seeds to enter that game mode, and then and then basically you just either you get the 50 seeds or you get none of this. Oh, well, I guess I'll have to see. I guess you keep as many seeds as you had when someone reaches the 50 seeds. So basically it's just a big death match for who gets the seeds, and you kill each other brutally, repeatedly. So that should be fun.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have a whole bunch of code commented out. God, I'm starving. What did I do? Any tiny bit of food I could eat that I could think of. Oh God.
You're making me hungry.
Yeah, be right back. I'm just gonna get something real quick. I guess I guess welcome to disgusting squid of me eating food, but okay. It's necessary because I'm so hungry. Here we go.
Because you're human.
So human. So squid. Alright, here we go. You there?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Let me know if this is disgusting. It's just some applesauce. Oh, so good. Alright. That helps.
We don't really eat applesauce around here.
Sure you do. You just gotta buy it. Well, I guess.
No, it's not very common around here, I wouldn't say.
I don't think it's common here either. But you can go to the store and buy it, I'm sure.
Oh yeah, probably.
In fact, this is baby food that I'm eating right now. So you definitely have that.
Yeah, obviously.
It's fucking delicious, you have no idea.
Yeah, I actually know quite a few friends who eat it.
Oh really? Wow.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
It's weird, like, oh, it's nutritious and it tastes really good. Give it a try, and I taste it. It tastes like barf. So I'm just like, nope.
Oh, you got the wrong kind. Yeah, I don't like the ones that's actually blended meat and whatever. But
Yeah.
but this one's just
it's
apples
like mushy
and
peas.
it's
and
apples and apricots, and it's so good, man. You gotta try that one.
Actually, sounds pretty good.
Uh,
So welcome back to Baby Squid.
All right. Where were we? Right, the smoothing. Okay, so I just removed all the code right here, but that's probably not ideal. In fact, let's make this if statement right there and see. I'll have to go through this entire part and see what parts are fit for multiplayer and what aren't. What parts are different for a mouse that is an NPC and what part are different for a mouse that is a player. Alright, else. Oh, and fuck that ant stuff. Ants find aim too, I guess, or whatever. Probably not actually, I should look into that. Recall that function more than I should. I really wonder what that sounds like.
Sounds like well, I can't replicate it, but it sounds pretty odd.
Oh no. Okay, find aim. What things do you return? A float. That's random. Who knew?
A boolean to be precise.
Nope, that's something entirely different.
Oh, is that not
A float is a number. A boolean is
Oh, right, yeah.
is just
It's
1 or 2.
either, yeah.
1 or 0. Yes, starvation prevented. Okay.
I've got some chocolate cookies that are about an arm's reach away, but I'm not going to eat them. They're too unhealthy.
I'll say. Oh, I wish I could eat cookies all day. Oh man, it's not fair. Why do cookies exist? Okay, so I guess I need to set up these variables wherever that was. There it is. Oh. Let's see if that helps. Yeah, I guess vector 1 as well. I bet this is retarded, but whatever, let's have a look.
Do you ever write out really, really long code and then realise that you could have done it in a couple of lines?
Oh yeah, don't you love that?
Yeah. You're like, oh, this is definitely the best way to do it, and then you write out like 100 lines, and then you're like, oh, I could do it in 5. Whoops.
Oh no.
And then you just feel really guilty for taking away all the lines of code
Yeah,
and writing the new ones and just being like, I'm sorry.
I remember that. Yep, so apparently this fucked everything up, or at least I guess that was obvious because stuff isn't set up properly. Aha, and this should be not. That's the main thing actually. That might help. And 7, right, multiplayer button. Well, it's not facing the right direction for one thing. It doesn't seem to be running off in that particular way anymore though. That way being where it started, where it was first spawned. What is it doing? Is it? Why is it always facing that one direction there? No, I guess it is just slowly turning the way I'm telling it to. So that's slight progress, I guess. Damn, maybe I should just not even bother with that code right there and just write a new code for it.
I thought it would just be as straightforward as...
Well, no, this is actually a whole bunch of code that does all kinds of different things.
Alright.
Yeah, I guess like 5 pages of code. No,
Yeah.
3. Okay, so anything else, I wonder? What could it be?
See at the bottom where it says, like at the bottom of your actual window where it says length, lines, and all that.
Yeah,
Is the length how many characters you have in it, or...
it would seem.
Yeah.
400,000.
Yeah, I keep looking at it and being like, no, that can't be like how many's done on one line. Because that'd just be like insane. You've got like 1,700 odd like lines and then just like 400,000.
Huh?
I was thinking
Well, I do have 17,000 lines, yeah.
yeah, I was saying that, but I thought it would be pretty crazy if the length was counting the length of your longest line.
Oh, that would be random. Oh, what else is there in this? What, that was it? Really? Jeez. And there it goes again with this. If target multi, or if not, I guess. Right. Okay. Okay.
Do you not use the script editor that comes with Uni?
The multiplayer script? No.
No, the actual program to programming.
The mono develop? No, fuck
Yeah.
that shit.
Yeah, is it bad?
Well, it's another one of those bloated programs, just like Visual Studio.
Right.
It takes forever and then isn't even that good, and sometimes it crashes. Unlike Notepad.
So basically, when I get into it, go into Notepad.
Yeah, Notepad Plus is pretty good. You should get Notepad Plus right now, in fact. What are you doing using Flash to program in? Just go in Notepad.
The way I program is very weird. So I
know.
don't even know if I would be able to...
Yes, you would be. You just write include file, and then you write the file instead of, and then you could just open the files without going to that frame. It's so much more convenient. Even if you have 20 different ones, like a weirdo. Wait,
I've got more than 20. I've got like a billion.
well, even better if you
everywhere.
have them all in one place.
In fact, I've never showed you how I do it. You'll just be like, what the fuck are you doing? Have you seen it?
I'm sure. Alright, so this didn't fix anything as usual. Was that really all I did? Yeah. What are you talking about? How is this? Wait, was this really it? Yes, all of that. It really was all. It really was only that. Okay. Interesting.
What was it doing?
Oh wait, right, let me test if this is different. Oh, just I don't know, I'm trying to make it not think like an autonomous mouse.
Right.
So let's see. How is this in comparison? Come on. Still running on the server, by the way. I didn't need to update the server code, so this is all fine. Also, I suppose running the actual server isn't so bad either. Okay, it's not running anywhere, so that definitely fixed it. Okay. Interesting. So having it the other way was not right. Wait. How's for that? Is that the same result then? It should be, but I'm not sure. Yes, else if. Too bad you can't just write else and leave the if out, because it's obvious. What else would it be? Oh well. Now, show me the same result, please. Yes. It was weirdly laggy then. I wonder why. That would be interesting. If it were in fact laggy. That would be good to know now. Okay, so it's definitely not. Oh wait, yeah, it's the same. So that's interesting. So if I remove this line of code, how does it affect it? Do I use vector1 here, by the way? Probably not. How do I? Well, let's see if this is any different for one thing. I guess it might be. So I had to open the window because it was stinking, which is inconvenient because now it'll be cold. Alright, so it seems fine.
Did it just smell of baby food?
That would be good.
Baby food and man sweat.
Yeah. Oh boy.
What next?
There's a band name waiting to happen.
We're sweet but bitter.
Okay, well at least it seems to be turning sometimes, even though not always. Hmm. Interesting. Huh. Did I even do much today? Okay, here's not player. I probably need this code and this code and... Is there anything that says find aim? No, wait, there probably isn't, otherwise he would be being retarded as usual. Okay, well, this definitely needs to be disabled. Fucking rock fear.
So is this your first time working on a online?
No, as I said, that Gladiator game I worked on that
Oh yeah,
never
yeah.
got finished, that was multiplayer. But everything just got really laggy, so I probably fucked up. Or either that or I'm doomed. And player IO sucks, who knows. Hopefully not. Alright, so... God, the glitchiness every time. Aha, perfectly smooth. Oh wait. Not even facing the right way. Huh. What is it based on, damn it? Also, I need to increase the thingy still. Let's see, velocity. Yeah. Velocity P. Right, so it's too bad I need to update again just for that. Just go make it 14 and then... no, not you. Publish, and I'm gonna upload code, and then this is how I had millions of versions, but whatever, I guess it's just bound to repeat itself. That is not the current day. What are you talking about? Not the current time. The fuck?
What was that?
What, the outside?
Yeah.
I don't know. A vehicle? How is this not... How is it not encoded? Really? Didn't I just press encode? Well, here's a good test. Even though... Is it really? Is it really a test? Could it be that the number... the time... The date modified is wrong? Or could it be that it was too lazy to actually do its work? Go in. Ah. Oh, okay. Do you even mind? Oh, upload. Right, silly me.
Oh, did you press X out?
I just dragged it in and didn't upload, that's all. Yeah.
The rattle of baby food getting emptied out.
Indeed. Alright, so... Server crash versus not. Nope, server crash. I knew it! I fucking knew it. Why do you crash to Unity? Fuck you.
Everything crashes.
How about you just do your fucking job, you lazy program, you? No! Just refusal, huh? What is this shit? Anything else in here? Anything got updated just now? No. Goddamn. I wonder why it does that. Did I save? Yes. Is this the right one? I hope so. I guess not necessarily. No, that is the right code. Okay, did you update now? Ah, so tedious. Why won't you listen? There, I changed it again. Is it gonna update now? No. Oh, wait a moment. That is not the right code. And I was actually retarded all along. Damn you!
What one were you in?
Retardation. Just making just the minor tweak of making the velocity slightly higher. The velocity limit.
Yeah, but what file were you in?
I was in the client code instead of the server code.
Right.
In you go, if you wake up. Alright. Now, hopefully no crashes. Just for this minor update. Why'd I bother? Oh well. That's probably fast enough though. Alright. So if I go really fast, it should definitely work. Yeah, minus 100 or whatever. And that was apparently as fast as I go. Okay, so flying mouse seems to work fine. Oh wait. Wait, it didn't follow fast enough, did it? It's lagging behind.
Yeah.
I wonder why that is. Okay, so now this is important. Aha! That part works, kind of. Even though not fast enough.
Yeah, it does eventually catch up though.
Yeah, it seems to have done the animation. Ah! Murderer! Oh boy, oh boy! Yeah, that's mine now. Ow! And then it just doesn't transmit data anymore. I guess I'll need to tell the server that I died or whatever. Even though I probably wouldn't be able to die outside the multiplayer code. Interesting. Alright, well, let me just get rid of this jar. There we go. Okay, so that's cool. Now I'm not sure if it's actually doing the smoothing either, so I should probably test for that. Alright, multi is true. And then I just do that, which is probably not even very correct. Unless, let's find out. How does it work? It requires a bunch of stuff like oh, right. I see. Yeah. So I got this. Wow, good thing I looked. Okay, apparently I'm setting this no target to true so that I'm not able to hit these multiplayer characters with my regular attacks. I'd have to go through the server if I'm gonna hit them, so. And then the enemies should also not react to them, so this is why I set no target to true. So then I should now make it so that God. Right, I just had to I hope it works now because I'm calling the smoothing function before I call the other function. Before I set them to no target. Yeah, see, this seems slightly smoother. Slightly smoother indeed. And now, wow, that is pretty nice actually.
That's a lot smoother.
Yeah, that is how this function works, I guess. this smoothing I'm doing. Great. So because the actual physics, they don't happen as often as they could because saving performance. So what I did was have this smooth function, so but then again it's still gonna be unsmooth on the ground because, well, slightly unsmooth because the animations are fucked.
Yeah.
Other than that, though, it should be fine. Okay,
So back to rotation.
not quite. I'm gonna make it even smoother, I hope. Because it'll need to be very smooth.
It's pretty damn smooth as it is just now.
Oh no, it's glitching out still. Okay. What parts do we have? Is this it? Yeah, this is it. Okay. This is my whole smoothing code. How does it work? I have F, and then I do that. Okay. And I guess this must be the old position of where the object was, and then I slowly make it go to there, I guess. So where exactly do I determine how strongly I move it? Well, here it would seem. Alright, so if target multi, then we're gonna noodle this massively. Nerf it. Alright, so here we go. Now it should be very laggy behindy, or very slowly getting into whatever position it would be. 7. Yeah, I think that looks fairly good. Even though it's not ideal, I guess, because it slowly... well, actually, I guess it kind of looks nice. Wow, that looks cool for sure. I see that much of the code isn't perfectly done, like even though maybe it is correct. Let's see.
What, the rotation of him looking up and down?
Yeah, while in air. Alright,
That's
so
what I was just thinking.
then he doesn't do it, but last time he did it.
It looks like it does it sometimes, and sometimes it just...
Oh, I guess when it's already on the ground, then it doesn't do it, even though it's only still smoothing the position to go there. Okay, so that definitely helped a lot, I think. Especially if the ping is high, this would really help. Okay, so that's good. Man, that's cool. Can you believe that this is actually on the server? It's so great. that mirror image of me being sent to the server. Because I don't actually have the development server online. It's just the actual multiplayer server. We're gonna be alright.
Now you can see how much it's actually
Lagging
if you put it to your actual position as well. You'll see how much.
Indeed. Shit. I wonder how I do that. Oh wait, I know. I have a plan. Debug X. Do I need you, Debug X? Yes. Well, no, probably not. Either way. Oh, it's 0. Good. Where did I put that there? No, I didn't. All right. Get number. No. Yes. Yes. That is it. Okay. I'll call this also subdate for now. If I could spell subdate. Okay. And great. Now I forgot what I meant to do. Shit. Any idea? God damn, it was just in my mind. On the tip of my mind. Wow. Oh, right. You should know. You asked me to do this. Right. Now I'm inside the mirror image, or I could move it left or right.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ.
You should have remembered.
That was just like... Drove its brain fire in half. Ugh.
Yeah. Oh, right, so the issue is that I'm colliding with it, which is, I guess, silly.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So I can move it to the left. Whee! Actually surprised it's not smoother when I move it. Oh, maybe it isn't because it's on the ground. Yeah, I think that might be it. Right. Well, I guess that made it all pointless then, that moving it there. Okay, so why is this so instant? What's F3? I see. Oh, I didn't even. God damn, I didn't even. I did not even. Didn't even spell it right, that's what. Okay, so what was there to do? Right, make it ignore me, I guess.
Yeah.
For now. Yeah, if I find it. What is it? What is it?
You called it ignore, didn't you?
Yeah, no, I mean, right, subdate, that was it. There was something. Subdate 2 even, if I look up for that, and actually that was, I didn't even do it. I still need to make it better, I guess. Not sure, probably, not sure actually. Okay, I distracted myself again, fuck. Oh right, ignore, yes. Ignore target player. If player is not null. With 2L. Alright, let's have a look how this goes. I'm almost tempted to just keep using that server-sided code. It's not bad to just have it there. Okay, there we go. I'm now glitching through it. I guess this is also good. And if I move it to the side, it still goes almost instant though, so that's weird. And it's also not wearing my hat, you may notice.
Yeah.
We can't have that. Oh god, just imagine the hassle of that. I need to... Well, maybe not. The question is, do I need to optimize hats? Well, actually, I probably do, come to think of it. Yeah. So I guess I'll have to write another array or list of hats. God, is it even smoother? I can't tell. Might be less smooth, actually. Alright. I see that I've done it wrong. Player smooth. Alright. Back F3. Wait, S3 is magnitude of what? Right. That's weird. I thought we would have something else be responsible for this. How does it work? How indeed. Surprised it does that much actually. Wait, does it? How does it do it? What's F1 then? Isn't used for anything anymore. Weird. That is confusing. Alright, what if I make this even less? Is it gonna be really weird now? Hmm. Well, that part should be working, I guess. Yeah. Alright. Okay, now it seems rather smooth again. Well, somewhat. I mean, you can tell the updates going on there.
Yeah.
Wall jumping. God, just imagine the maps that could be made if ever I make some kind of map editor or whatever. Could be some kind of surf maps they can race and everything. If only.
Or a way to mod it.
Yeah, if only I knew how to make things moddable. Definitely does the animation, right? Okay. Well, that's good. Or is it? It seems fairly smooth, but it still seems not ideal. I guess I don't know why it's ever moving instantly. It shouldn't be. That's so weird. So what if I set it to 0? Is that gonna overwrite it entirely then? No, surely not. I'm assuming it's still gonna move somehow, so... But it definitely seems to have made a difference. Either that or I'm insane. Maybe it hasn't made a difference. Oh, fuck's sake, it hasn't made a difference all along. The smoothing function doesn't even seem to be working. Or at least it's not active. Huh. Yeah, of course it's not working when it's this unsmooth, silly me. Okay, so info message equals yes, so that should tell me if this ever happens.
Yeah.
You would really think it would work, but then maybe it was called at the wrong time, so maybe not. Okay, 7. I wonder if I used up a lot of space yet on here. A lot of bandwidth. Okay, I see I've used up a bunch today. Oh, it's the same. Oh wait, no, that's rooms, that's not bandwidth. Aha, what have we here? Data received and sent. Lots. Oh no. Oh no. 3 megabytes already? That's not good. In this short time? Oh no. Okay, so it's never calling that code, so that's good to know. Everything I did was for nothing. I mean, with the smoothing at least. God damn, I can't believe I thought it worked and it didn't. Unless... Nope. Pretty sure this would work, but then again I should also put it there just in case. Right above here, yes. Alright, so I wonder why. It should basically work unless I delete it at some point, which is also possible. Also, it seems that these... I don't seem to have enough tools to make me actually... to allow me to have different values of smoothness for these things, but we'll see how easy it is for me to tweak it. Is that an error? No, it isn't. Okay, so... multi. Never's been done, alright. Smooth equals false. No, it equals null. Where do I set that? What could this be? Right. Interesting. Anything else? That's it, alright. How about this function being set to false? Smooth grab, but that's probably not it. Weird. Very odd. What could be at fault? Let's find out if I can set it here. This would be interesting if it works. It would be useful for sure, because then I just knew what the issue was right away. Because apparently I must have called it too soon then. I probably called it too soon if you think about it, because it didn't. Yeah, okay, now it's doing it, and now it is in fact not doing it, as you see.
Yeah. Or have you set it weird?
No, it's doing, well, I have, but it's fine. Alright. I guess I'll just put that later on. Do I need that there? Would it be smarter to just move all of that down further to the end of the create function?
Probably.
Why do I keep using scroll wheel when I could just be... Well, actually, I guess who cares? When I could just be doing the page down. Oh well.
So did you get your new silent click mouse?
Not yet, still using the old one. Man, fucking Amazon's taking forever these days. Even though that one was eBay, but still, also waiting on a bunch of Amazon stuff. Okay, same issue, that's good. Now, players moves. Wait, did you watch that in a video and hear about that?
Yeah.
Interesting. Just didn't bother coming and watching it directly, huh?
Well, I couldn't focus or anything, so I put that on to sort of help me focus.
Pretty
if that
cool.
makes sense.
Yeah. Oh wait, yes minus? Why is it yes minus? I want yes plus. Just yes. TP? Whatever, I'm sure that's probably fine, considering that this is actually doing its work now. Alright, so let's see what happens if I put it to very low. Let's see how sluggish it moves. This is probably not even remotely correct. Not the correct way of reducing the amount of movement there. Okay, so now it's coming slowly towards me.
Yeah.
Definitely too slow.
Looks like it's really slowly lerping towards you.
Indeed, LARPing. That's a similar way of doing it, but not quite as useful, I guess. Okay, so is there no other way? Do I not? Is that how I do it? Just like that? Okay, well, I guess that's definitely not enough, so what happens if I put it half? The problem is I think if I have it at any under number, it'll just be unsmooth compared to what it should be. But then again, maybe not. Okay, so this is definitely, well, the jumping's greatly improved.
Looks a lot better.
Well, it's certainly not lagging about. But then again, it probably looks fine just by having it as it normally is, I guess. I mean, I just didn't have this script on at all, so that would definitely create... it would definitely not work then, yes. And therefore it was as unsmooth as it ever was, but now it should be perfectly smooth, I guess. I hope.
Yeah. I was about to say you hope.
Well, that's
Oh,
fine, except for the animation glitching up and down, because that's definitely my fault. Oh wow, it overshot. Well, in jump it's fucking amazing.
oh yeah.
Though I almost feel like half was better. Even though I might just be imagining things there.
Feels like you've got a little companion with you.
Yeah, it's great, isn't it? Whee! Double mouse. Great. Even the tail looks fine now, even though not all the time.
Most of the time.
Indeed. Alright, so I guess I really should go ahead and fix that where it's not doing the running animation and just glitching about like that.
Do you know why it's done that?
Yeah, because I didn't bother doing the code for it yet. I mean, it just thinks that it's an NPC that gets moved to random positions, I guess. Also, I see it's floaty, so that's not good, I guess. Probably has to do with the fact that it's using a slightly different mouse model.
Oh yeah, you could just set the Y down a bit, couldn't you?
Probably.
Hopefully.
Yeah, sure, I could do that. If I could find the code. Well, yeah, it should be right here. Vector 1 is target T-dot position. Oh. Or maybe I should just keep it like this. Wait, maybe I should just say is mouse. Maybe that's all it takes. Maybe that'll fix it, because it asks if it's the one player, but if it's just the mouse, it might also either that or it's just gonna break everything because it's using something it shouldn't be. God, that was loud. It's almost as if there was a truck right behind me.
That is when Florian heard the engine purring behind him.
Yeah, well there we go, things are fine, kind of. Brilliant. Well, this is quite nice, I guess. I would only have to... yeah, I think I might actually keep that feature where you have that little mouse following you as a testing feature for now at least. I'm not sure, maybe I should have it as a permanent thing. Just a way to enable what you are on the multiplayer server. Okay, so it's definitely fine that way. Now it's just lacking animations. And also, it doesn't need to do the info message anymore. Alright, so good progress so far, I guess. Not target multi. Here it goes. So there is a bunch of code that should be responsible, but not sure if it is. Okay, so this is certainly good that it's not afraid of rocks. This code does what? Is this code necessary? I wonder. Let's see what happens if I remove that code, if it's better or worse. It's probably hard to tell. Could be anything. It seems that it limits my speed, I guess, which doesn't really make sense on the server. Okay, what does it do? Oh, it turns my mouse instantly. Well, that's pretty good. So that code's definitely bad then if it does that. Fucking love the jumping. Man, what a game this will be. There's just no way that this isn't gonna be amazing. Just having a little party with your friends where you're all little mice. Yeah. Jumping around. Oh boy. What a time to be alive. Okay, so I need to also make it so it sends the actual information of where it's facing. Like, if I'm standing, it always just faces that way.
Yeah.
So let's not have that. Let's instead add subdate. Let's add the velocity to it, add the forward to it. Yep, that might do something. I'm not actually sure if the head is facing the right way, so it might be just stupid. Let's see, however. And also it's multiplied by 1, which is obviously far too much, because this is just a code that should be active only when it is not moving. Oh yeah, so now, well, at least it seems to be facing the right way. Kind of. Yep. So there you go. Facing the right way at all times. Just that it thinks that it's always in a running animation now.
Yeah.
I like how it's every second it's trying to go forwards, because then it gets reset every interval. Alright, so point 1. Let's try point 1. Ideally it should prevent it from going forwards now, but it might not do that, considering that's I think that's the code that I just disabled earlier that makes it not go forward when it's just a small movement. Yep. No. It seems to be trying to run again. I wonder if my ghost mouse is making sounds. It must be, I guess. Yeah, it must be making noise, of course, why wouldn't it? So, double footsteps, brilliant. Alright, so I guess I got it facing the right way. Now I just need to stop it from thinking it's running, I guess, whenever it isn't. So, how is that then? How could it be? Right, the code I just disabled, multi. Here it is. No. Next. Here it is. Also not. Yes, that one. Okay, so I guess this part is still important. Right. Well, maybe not that important. Okay, hop. Wait, no. I just realized it doesn't even know that it's supposed to do the hop animation, because it never does the hop animation for the other ones, I guess. They always do the running animation. The one that the player only uses when you're actually going fast. Or climbing. Also uses it for climbing. So where do I set S1 to that? Here it goes. Okay. There's probably a whole bunch of code in here, isn't there? Oh, this is exactly that part, right. Interesting. And I wonder what... Oh. No, what is GOX?
Go X.
Indeed. Yes, that actually exists. Very convenient. Alright. Fuck, didn't mean to go here. What if I make this even less? I mean, it doesn't need to be that much, I guess. Will that stop it from thinking it's going at high speed? I guess I'm not actively transmitting the right position when I'm in air or moving. Let's see. Okay, it seems to be facing the right way. So that's good. At least I won't have to worry about that part. Okay, so next step will probably be to change things like yeah, well, obviously it is the issue that we have with the idle animation and the running animation glitching into each other. Oh yeah, now it's smooth when I move it. Ah, goddamn. Not smooth over there though. Not smooth anywhere but exactly inside me. Oh wait, no, that's just because it's moving. Right. I think it's trying to go between hopping and running animation then. Right. Okay, so target run. I probably need to disable wherever it does that. Oh, right here, okay. Do I also do target idle here? Right. If target multi, then we don't need to do that code. Instead we have another code which says it's not gonna do any of it. Target animation is hop or run or idle. Then we're going to right. If, I guess. Yes, if these things happen, then
Could you not just put that into the same if statement as the one above?
No. Well, no. Huh, that's weird how I just override. I also want... I probably don't want to have this code running regardless, even if the other cases aren't true. Right, setting it to no. And now let's see what happens. Should probably just stick with the animation that is given by the server. So whenever you get disconnected from a multiplayer server, you usually just see really weird things happening. Such as, let's see, okay, so it seems the hopping's not doing it at all. Right, I guess it's in idle or something. Such as things continuing to run or whatever. Oh god.
Or run on the spot.
Yeah, So I probably should make it so that it resets those animations for sure. Okay, it works sometimes, but then it doesn't actually finish the running animation off all the time, I guess. Even though it's definitely not awful anymore. Wow, even the running animation worked then. The hopping animation doesn't work over long times.
It's like
Wonder
it just
why.
starts it and then doesn't loop.
That does seem that way, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I wonder
Oh,
why.
there we go. When you were running up the hill, it was doing it.
Yeah, that's the running animation.
Yeah.
Because it looks weird if you're hopping sideways from something.
Mhm. I think it might be because it's not touching the ground or something.
I don't think so. It seems to be the animation. I need a hill to run on. Okay, so interesting. See, that's because it's not touching the ground, it seems.
Yeah.
Even though, is it just doing it after certain loops? No, actually it isn't. It's perfectly fine with looping one animation. Weird. Just not the hop animation for some reason. Probably having to do with... Wait, did I spell hop right? Yeah, okay.
You haven't renamed it, have you?
No, it's definitely called hop. I wonder what's wrong. Okay, so seems to be working flawlessly like this. In fact, it's fucking awesome. Most of the time. Right, until it overshoots. No, the hawk, where is he?
Overshoot isn't actually too bad.
Depends. I mean, it's not super smooth. It doesn't always do it, it's a bit random, I guess.
Yeah.
Depending on lag and such. Well, it's beautiful whenever I'm not doing the hop animation, that it's just broken. So, I suppose I should look into this code and see if there's anything else that might be interfering. What have we? Target mouse and is not player. Okay. There's a bunch of things I don't know. Affecting apparently the scorpion. What is this dash right here? What the fuck? Dash?
Oh, is that for the scorpion?
Oh, it is, okay.
Yeah.
Wait, is this attack frame? Wow, I didn't realize I was in the attack frame. Weird, I thought I was in the animation frame. Right, that's odd. Very odd. Yeah. Very, very odd. Okay, so maybe if I copy this stuff over to the animation frame, it might be in a better spot. Yep. Still don't need to be doing that though, I guess. Yep. Okay, so animation frame. Here it goes. Target is player, not. Though it might be a good idea to do these codes here, but whatever. What is this? I mean, for the multiplayers. Not sure if it would be a good idea. Well, no, I can't just run this whole code. That would be stupid. God damn, is this a lot of code? Here we go. Here's not player finally. Okay, it's probably not this, I'm assuming. Then what is it? whatever. I'm just gonna put it to the last part. Oh, no wonder the computer's loud. I left this on. Oh, great. Luckily, I mean, not luckily, but it seems that whenever I'm unloading the scene, it crashes the game. Every once in a while, that is. So to avoid that, I think I'm just gonna make it so that it does as little as possible, as rarely as possible, reloading the whole scene. So I think I'll make it so that if you enter a multiplayer server, it'll never reload the scene, so you definitely won't crash in multiplayer. Not from this cause, at least.
Yeah.
So that might help. Target multi. Okay, this should definitely help, having that code there. Right. It just scrolled. I thought I added tabs everywhere. Unity bug. Okay, so yeah, hopefully, I guess the problem will be that people will go into the underground level and then it'll crash because it'll unload the scene then. Sometimes. It's not too often anyways, but still. Definitely should not be that way. And he is joining the multiplayer server, lagging me the first time around. Ta-da! Oh, it's so beautiful. Arf.
Can you hear the dog?
Yep. That was what I was talking about. So, oh man, this is so fucking awesome. And it's not even lagging far behind. This isn't even this is the internet. This is literally what it looks like on the internet. Wow. So fucking smooth. Slightly facing the wrong way at times though.
Until you jump and glide off a mountain though.
Oh yeah, look at that. Just doing that sound. Flop flop. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh yeah, the jumping and the gliding, not ideal. This is some great stuff. So you want me to do the thing again, huh? With the double screens?
Obviously.
Alright. Whenever you're ready, thingy.
We want to see per mouse MMO.
Indeed.
7 million players.
Yep. Can't wait. 407, that's the code number. And all of that last part that I did, by the way, I did not update the server code ever. So that was all just client-sided then, so you know.
If per mouse was an MMO, it would be PMMM.
Oh. Yes, it would be. Oh, right, I should disable the HUD because it's hideous. Alright,
Oh
so...
shit, I just realised.
What?
When you start off as the statue, you're on a block of cheese.
Yep. Just...
Didn't even realise that.
Okay, oh man, it's so beautiful and so smooth. And it hasn't even crashed outside of that level unloading bug for a while. Okay, so here we go. Enter the multiplayers. Oh, so also, okay, everything has become laggy now, but I can why have these mice started running? They shouldn't have started running. Oh wait, I should be looking at the other screen, which is hopefully... Oh, there we go. There's me. Which way? Oh, to the birds. To the birds! Whee! Great. Oh my god. Yep. Right. Let's have a look here. And up we go. Pay no attention to that, whatever that may be, am I right? Oh no, not invisible hitbox. Should I be seeing myself yet? Did I pause on the other
I
one?
think you went too far right, maybe.
I think I paused here, yeah, okay, so... Am I seeing anything up there? Not sure. The HUD also can fuck off here. Did I?
Oh, you're at the leaves, right? So
The leaves. Oh.
No, I can't see you on the other screen on top.
I should be
there.
visible. Oh god. No,
Unless you pause it again.
no.
Mm.
I should be here, shouldn't I?
Yeah, you should be somewhere around there. You might just
But
be
then
blind
again,
to some
I'm
rock.
really far away, yeah. Huh. Weird. Alright, well here we go then, further gliding. Alright, I forget that I have such low gliding power.
I'm looking at the other screen and I can't see you. Oh, there you are.
Oh yeah!
Just a tiny black dot.
Oh yes, free roaming mouse MMO. Now can I find the other mouse? I don't even see it anywhere.
Grand Theft Power Mouse.
It must be closer there. Oh. Yep, wow. Whee! Yeah, I see this isn't the ideal screen I could have picked. Where the hell is it?
It's just behind that hill. To your
Oh,
right.
there it is. Hello.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm not facing that way. Could it be because of the uneven ground that I'm facing that way? Probably not. Well, there you go. Multiplayer achieved. It's actually over the internet. If I go on the website, it should tell me that players online too, maybe? Yes.
Yeah.
Even though they're but really just me, but okay. Alright, well, subscribe for more multiplayer madness. Goodbye.
Goodbye.